I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the universal Minecraft editor and any required runtimes installed. This avoids runtime errors. Once done, create a full backup of your world files, copy level, DAT and region, player data folders to an external folder. Then open the editor, choose the correct game version, and point the tool at your save. This first step puts you into the editor workspace quickly, so you can inspect chunks and player data without risking the original world. Next, navigate to the exact area or player data you want to change. Enter coordinates or load a player UUID to center the chunk viewer. Then select the data type, blocks, entities, tile entities, or item NBT, and make targeted edits. For broad changes, use search and replace filters or radius limits so you don't alter unrelated chunks. Make adjustments incrementally and use the preview to verify changes, because the editor writes directly to the save when you commit edits. Finally, save your edits, but first create a version backup so you can revert if needed. Never overwrite the only copy. Then load Minecraft in a test profile or offline world to confirm everything behaves as expected. Check spawn points, items, and entity AI. If something goes wrong, restore the backup immediately, verify the editor, game version, and installed mods match, and reapply smaller changes to isolate the issue. A single troubleshooting tip: mismatched versions often cause corruption, so confirm versions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.